Right, we're making our way to the kitchen. We have the chef here. Let's see what he's cooking up.
So we cook already. We have coconut rice that's already made, right? So we have coconut rice. Then we have roast rabbit that we curry and some potato, right? And we're gonna cook up some kingfish and I forget the name of this one. Then we're gonna cook up this with some tomatoes, okra, and a little bit mushrooms.
Mushroom, okay,
Yeah.
looking good.
It'll take like 10 minutes, it can be fast. I think it tastes good, that's for sure.
Okay. Alright, so we have to cooking here, Master Chef.
I just strain some garlic.
Is that food channel now?
Shouldn't be doing it there back, you know? But please hot now. I like to use this when I cooking fish. And I would actually wait until the garlic starts to get black, like some color, and then then I go train everything else. And train a piece of butter. So this is everything else this is ready. So did you cook it up? So you cook it?
I teach him everything you want. So now I will cook again.
So you see how it's stopping there for sauce? It's kind of struggling for sauce. You can put butter in it now, buddy. So it's struggling for sauce?
Yeah, be linen.
And then it can be bad.
Let's put the camera now.
Oh, I borrow it.
And she cracked the screen into the
A little bit.
Okay.
Get your looking here.
But I don't have to do, because all I do is drinking, I barely eating, I always cooking. So I don't have to do a little bit of it.
Yeah, we talk.
I don't dive in our water.
But we don't take boy, Taalut and his brother rib boy, I had a rib.
Really?
Yeah.
So you know what, looking really good there. Bring the fish. All of them. People don't like fish head, but they say real good.
Yes, well, I don't eat the eye.
Yeah.
You see the eye?
Yeah, yeah.
You
If it's dog, we know trying to convince
Oh,
my brother.
again, now you go pro. Taalut different system.
This sounds good.
I mean,
We trying to convince my brother girlfriend that the fish eye, because I roast the head of the kingfish the other day, yesterday, and basically you're roasting it. You're roasting the head now because people don't like to eat the head.
right.
And everybody was like fighting to the fish house, and she don't understand why.
Oh, because of the eye?
Yeah.
You.
Wait, so what's so good about the eye? Healthy?
Wait, it's like.
No, it's real healthy, that one, and it is absorb all of the flavors now. Because remember that's the last part of the fish that will actually like dry up. So like all of the roast flavor and thing is basically absorbed by the eye.
So when you bite on the away, it's tastes juice.
Yeah.
You.
Nah, but it's really good, it's really good. Like normally I do put water and thing in the fish, but because there's so much, I would actually put some in it. And because there's so much.
What time are you doing tomorrow? Around 2 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yeah, boy. I love it.
Yeah.
What do you reckon this tastes like if you have to compare it to better than chicken? It's almost like goat and it compared to this thing.
It can be the thick. It can be closer to common cow.
Okay.
But it is safe. We go and eat just now, it's safe real good.
First time I get rabbit. I mean, I eat every other wild meat at house. I just never get one.
Alright, let me take a little close-up look.
You can take it. Look at
Go on,
the
go on, take one.
Look at me, I do look at the pot.
So, we need to know.
Look at the pot sauce. The pot is the important thing. See, you can't really feel enough to it. You want the fish in the sauce, but we have a little too much fish for the pot that we have. But I did it. That's how to stay and cook just how it is there. If it is, it might mash up.
Okay.
I can't remember the name of the fish boy. But it's kingfish for sure, and the next one I can do remember. And it's just a quick thing to do, eh? Because I just realized
thing.
all of them come in.
Yeah, we gotta get all this.
That is really good. They have it tasted. But I can take it. So for me, the fish fresh, so I can take it off there, and that'll be how it is. I was going to clear.
Like the fresh for sure.
A spoon now, but I mean, I am not going to.
You don't want to just it doesn't taste.
So I can take it off now. Yeah, that's off there. Just tasty sauce, alright? And just let me know how to blend it.
Wait.
Yeah.
The real season.
Yeah, and that's me without proper seasoning, eh? So if I had a little more seasoning because we run out, and yeah.
It just hits you right after way.
Yeah, nah, I guess, yeah.
Okay.
So you wanna get a close up?
Then I take a taste.
You want a close up? And the fish. Tell me when you're good.
And we have the cook. Okay. Wait, I didn't press record. Tricky, I think I did.
Sorry. Having some rabbit meat here for the first time. You got it.
Okay, so it's lunchtime. Already taking out the food.
Total cook for me. This is wife down.
Oh my, okay then.
Wife down.
I will eat fish later, so I just about the roast rabbit, roast curry rabbit. That's what I have right now.
Eat the rabbit alone. Alright, we have Avi here. Trying rabbit for the first
You're
time.
gonna try your rabbit meat for the first time?
I know what it is.
How you feel about
It isn't similar to something I ate before. No, it's tasting like some other wild meat though.
It tastes close to.
Is it lap or something?
No, not lapona here, but iguana.
Yes, it isn't close to iguana. It's right, you're right. You're right. But it isn't good. It isn't real good.
Roast pepper, scorpion pepper.
Sure.
Scorpion pepper. Yeah, I was literally killing everybody, but it was worth it. This one a little better than the common for, but the common for yesterday was real good. I eat full as you break up, and it was done.